Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another installment of our Get Moving series, Home Ownership and Finance Basics with Porcupine Real Estate. My name is Dominic DiMaria. I'm an agent with Porcupine Real Estate, and I am joined again by Tony Capraro III from State Farm. How are you, Tony?
Doing great for Monday night, Dominic. How about you?
Very good, very good.
Good.
So today we're going to pick up where we left off, and we're going to talk a little bit more about insurance. So how often should someone consider reevaluating their insurance coverage?
I love that question. I love when clients ask it too, Dominic. We say minimally annually. So when you get that annual renewal in the mail, in big bold, we put on there, check your coverages, make sure that what you want. And if not, please give us a call. But as you know, things change so quickly in our lives. We say now to our clients, anytime there's a life change, folks, a marriage, a divorce, 50% of marriages end in a divorce. So we want to get to you when you have those types of situations, when you're having kids, those type of things, starting a business, right down your alley, sir, buying a home or looking at homes, those type of things. Also, what people sometimes don't think of is a change in assets or a change in liabilities. We want to be able to look at that to make sure you're properly protected as you move along, because we know this society is litigious. If you watch late night TV like I do, every one of those attorneys ads that they're going to get you free money from those bad insurance companies. Make sure you're properly covered, please. So that's what we look at. We like to do it twice a year with our clients, but again, once a year would fit the bill if only people would do that.
Sure. Well, that's great. So, like you're saying, anytime there's a major life change, so even purchasing a car, anything like that, that's
anything like that, sir. And Dominic, I turned 61 this year, which I look in the mirror and I say to myself, where's that 30-year-old guy? That's what I feel like. But things change so quickly. And folks sort of look at us and go, oh, man, he wants us to come in there to sell us. No, I just want to see right now what your goals and objectives are, where you sit. And when you walk out our door, you're properly protected in the case that you're sued. Because, again, things do happen, and sometimes we don't have control of them. In fact, a lot of times we don't have control of them.
Great. Well, that answers the question. So minimally once a year at renewal, you should really kind of assess where you're at.
That's correct. In fact, what we do, Dominic, now, I have a third party that calls and books for every one of my clients at least once a year, an annual review, whether that's coming into 510 Kelly Street in Manchester where we are, or now we have a Good Neighbor Connect, which State Farm loves acronyms. Dominic, we're the good neighbor, when Barry Manilow penned that music. Or we can do it over the phone. I like in person. I'm a dinosaur. I like to look you in the eye and see exactly what you're trying to do. But now I've added that piece to our business. Let's get the additional calls out to the folks to get these reviews done.
Great. Well, if anybody has any specific questions about their coverage and would like to talk to you, how can they get a hold of you?
Well, they can always call us, 603-623-3537. Walk into our office at 510 Kelly Street. I've got great team members, or online, www.trusttc3,
Perfect. And if anybody has any real estate questions they'd like to run by me, please feel free to reach out. Dominic at porcupinerealestate.com. Thanks again, Tony. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you, folks.